Hi friends, I am your Shreyas. Today I want to talk about small but important word which is sorry. Sometimes we do something wrong. We may hurt someone by mistake or say something not nice. That's when we should say sorry and really mean it. Saying sorry doesn't make us weak. It shows we care and we are brave to say we are wrong. And guess what? A small sorry can save a big friendship. So if you hurt someone, just say sorry. It can fix things and make hurts happy. ఒక చిన్న సారీ ఒక పెద్ద ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ని సేవ్ చేయగలదు. అందుకే ఎవరినైనా మనం బాధ పెట్టి ఉంటే సింపుల్గా సారీ ఇది మన మధ్య ఉన్న సమస్యల్ని తగ్గిస్తుంది.